Can dogs smell Parkinson's disease? New study reveals shocking findings. Imagine your furry companion not only being a loyal friend, but also potentially saving your life by detecting serious illnesses before medical professionals can. That's exactly what a groundbreaking study from the University of Bristol suggests when it comes to Parkinson's disease. But here's where it gets controversial. Could our canine friends be the key to early diagnosis of this debilitating condition? Brianna Bortner's story is a testament to the extraordinary abilities of dogs. Her beloved pet, Machi, started showing unusual behavior by fixating on her breast area months before she was diagnosed with stage 2B triple-negative breast cancer. This incident highlights the mysterious and sometimes uncanny instincts of our four-legged friends. Now, let's shift focus to the recent study on Parkinson's disease. Researchers at the University of Bristol, in collaboration with medical detection dogs and the University of Manchester, conducted an experiment involving two specially trained dogs, Bumper, a golden retriever, and Peanut, a black Labrador. These dogs were trained on over 200 odor samples and then tested with skin swabs from 130 individuals with Parkinson's and 175 without the disease. The results were astounding. Both dogs demonstrated remarkable accuracy, correctly identifying Parkinson's cases up to 80% of the time and ruling out false positives with a specificity rate of 98%. This means that not only could the dogs sense the presence of the disease, but they were also adept at distinguishing between healthy individuals and those affected by Parkinson's. This finding is significant because it suggests that there might be a unique, detectable odor associated with Parkinson's disease, possibly related to increased levels of sebum, a waxy, oily substance with a distinctive musky scent, on the skin of affected individuals. While this study doesn't mean dogs can replace traditional medical diagnostics, it opens up exciting possibilities for developing non-invasive, cost-effective methods for early detection. Dr. Nicola Rooney, the lead author of the study, emphasized the importance of identifying diagnostic biomarkers for Parkinson's, especially those that could predict the onset of the disease or aid in early diagnosis. She believes that the dog's abilities could contribute to the creation of a quick and accessible screening method for Parkinson's. Claire Guest, Chief Scientific Officer at Medical Detection Dogs, echoed this sentiment, stating that the study confirms dogs can very accurately detect diseases. Early diagnosis is crucial, as timely intervention can slow down the progression of Parkinson's and alleviate symptoms. Professor Perdita Baran from the University of Manchester added that the study supports the idea that simple, non-invasive skin swabs could be used for diagnosing Parkinson's, offering a faster and more accessible approach to early detection. Moving forward, the research team plans to conduct long-term studies to further explore dogs' potential in detecting Parkinson's before clinical diagnosis. Funding for this study came from the Michael J. Fox Foundation and Parkinson's UK. So, the next time you're cuddling your dog, remember that their keen senses might be more valuable than you realize. Could this be the beginning of a new era in medical diagnostics? What do you think? Share your thoughts and comments. Can dogs smell Parkinson's disease? Discover the science. Imagine a world where a dog's nose could save lives by sniffing out disease years before symptoms emerge. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now with Parkinson's disease. But here's what most people miss. This breakthrough started not with high-tech labs, but with one woman's extraordinary sense of smell. /in groundbreaking UK, research proves dogs can detect Parkinson's through scent alone. In a rigorous double-blind trial, a golden retriever and Labrador identified skin swabs from Parkinson's patients with remarkable accuracy by sniffing oily skin secretions. Animal behavior expert Nicola Rooney from the University of Bristol states these dogs achieve 70 to 80% sensitivity, far beyond chance, suggesting they could lead to quick, non-invasive, and affordable diagnostic methods. /in and currently, no definitive early test exists for Parkinson's, which silently progresses for up to 2 decades before diagnosis. That's why this discovery matters. The trailblazer? Joy Milne, a nurse whose super smeller ability detected her husband's Parkinson's 12 years before doctors did. In a landmark pilot study, Milne correctly identified every Parkinson's patient by scent alone, even flagging one case nearly a year before symptoms appeared. And this raises a controversial question. If humans with rare abilities can do this, why not dogs? Canines already sniff out stress, COVID-19, and cancer, so why not Parkinson's? Here's where it gets complex. While promising, a recent UK collaboration between medical detection dogs and the University of Manchester revealed only 2 of 10 dogs passed training. One gave false alarms for 10% of healthy samples, though the other scored under 2% errors. In the research aims to decode what dogs smell, a quest that already identified specific odor compounds in 2019, later confirmed by Milne. These compounds inspired a diagnostic swab test, now in development. Yet the real controversy lies in reliability. With such varied dog performance, is scalable medical detection feasible? Or should we focus solely on chemical tests? In medical detection dogs, CEO Claire Guest emphasizes timely diagnosis is critical, given Parkinson's stealthy progression. But this leads to a bigger debate. Should we invest in training more dogs despite inconsistencies, or channel resources purely into biotechnology? What's your take? Are scent-based methods a revolutionary tool or an impractical gamble? Share your perspective below.